Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you masala cauliflower recipe, and this is going to be done in cast iron. You can use normal pan or skillet also. So let's see how to do this. So here I've taken 1 tablespoon oil, add 1 teaspoon cumin seed, and this is carom seed. It is optional. If you have it you can use it, but it also adds a very nice flavor. I'm going to mention all the ingredients used here in the description so you can later refer to it. So here I've taken 4 garlic cloves finely chopped. Next I have taken 1 whole onion chopped like this. Add a thumb size of ginger, slit and add like this. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilly powder, salt per taste. Give it a good mix. So you have to cook in medium low heat. Here I put little high, medium high, so you can see it's cooking very fast, but even the oil and everything is getting dried very faster. So cook this on medium low heat. So I have taken 2 tomatoes here. These are small. If you have a 1 big tomato, it's more than enough. Puree it and add to this. Stir it and let the onion and the tomato everything cook so well that the onion is very soft and it's almost not visible. Next add the cauliflower. So here I've cut the cauliflower into small florets like this. I've taken 1 whole cauliflower here. Give it a good mix. Here tomato, onion, everything is cooked so well. It smells so good. With very minimal ingredients, you can see I have added only red chilli powder, turmeric, but we have the cumin seed and carom seed, which adds more flavor to this recipe. Give it a good mix. Look how beautiful they look. I'm cooking this in medium low heat right now. Cast iron gets quickly heat up, so you have to be very careful so that the food doesn't get burnt here. Now I'm going to add chicken masala here. This is the masala that I'm going to use. Curry masala for chicken. Add 2 teaspoons of this chicken masala and it takes the recipe to next level. So here I'm adding dried fenugreek or methi leaves. You can add parsley here. You can add cilantro, parsley, or you can add methi leaf if you have that handy. Give it a good mix. The chicken masala brings this recipe to next level. It smells so good, tastes super good. Now close the lid and let the cauliflower florets and everything cook well. After 5 to 8 minutes, the veggies are cooked. Here you can see cast iron gets dried up very faster. Also, the oil I use is very less here. Just 1 tablespoon oil. I'm cooking this whole thing. The veggies are cooked very nicely here. I turned the gas stove off. Here you can see. Now I'm going to show you how good the cauliflower is, how fast it cooks. You can see here. See, I'm going to cut it right now. They all are cooked, soft and very nice. These are best enjoyed with roti. We call it Indian bread or chapati, or we can enjoy this with naan also. Full of flavors, very less ingredients we used here. The technique I shared with you. Here we chopped the ginger, slit, long slit, Still these are cooked and very good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. Please subscribe to my channel so you do not miss the recipe.